Hello and welcome to our Tech News channel. Today we have an exciting development in the offshore wind turbine industry. A revolutionary new welding method using electron-beam welding has been announced, and it could prove to be a game changer for the industry. This world-first welding technique could significantly reduce the time, cost, and energy required for assembling offshore wind turbines. With high-quality welds and excellent fatigue properties, this new welding method could revolutionize the industry. This innovative development, known as the Ebflow TM technology, has been integrated into a monopole foundation for a turbine in the Dogger Bank wind farm. This farm is located over 81 miles from the northeast coast of England and is a significant step towards achieving net zero targets. Currently, the traditional technique used for assembling monopiles is submerged arc welding. However, the new Ebflow technology is far superior in many ways. Unlike traditional methods, Ebflow uses a more cost-efficient and space-efficient way of maintaining a vacuum only around the welded seam. This innovation has expanded the possibilities for using EP welding on larger structures like monopiles while reducing costs and increasing productivity. The company behind this technology has demonstrated its ability to weld monopiles 25 times faster than current methods. Additionally, it costs 88% less and produces 97% fewer CO2 emissions than SAW methods. This development is a first-in-class project, establishing the UK innovation as a world-leading technology. It could bring significant cost savings on future projects, benefiting the UK offshore engineering industry and energy consumers. In conclusion, this innovative welding method using the Ebflow technology could bring significant changes to the offshore wind turbine industry. With excellent properties and higher productivity rates, this development has the potential to revolutionize the industry. We will have to wait and see how the technology advances in the future. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on our channel.